What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for a bunch of Galaxy watches. You can see I have got a few watches here. We've got the Galaxy Watch Ultra, we've got the Galaxy Watch 8 series here as well as 7 series, and we also have Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. In this video what we're going to do is we're going to check out whether this update has arrived on all these watches or not, and I'll also tell you what is this update all about. Now you can check the update either on the watch itself or on the phone. Now to check the update on the watch, all you need to do is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, you will see this option software update. As you can see, there is an orange dot already available here. Just tap on the software update and tap on download and install. If the update is available in your country, this will show up right here. As you can see, I've got the update here which says this update will be automatically installed between 8 p.m. and 9 a.m. I have already downloaded the update, by the way, on this watch. So let me just scroll down here and show you what exactly is this update all about. It says stability and reliability, device behavior has been improved, and the security, the device is protected with improved security. Now if I scroll down here, these changes may vary depending on the model, country or network operator of the customer environment. It says to get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. So it's very important to check the software update and make sure you install these updates. It will not only make the device run smoother, it will also improve the security, which is very, very important. And as you can see, the version number ends with BYH6 and the size is 168.14 MB, and the security patch is for August 2025. Now this is the latest security patch that we have for the Galaxy watches. The Galaxy Watch Ultra has received this. This is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2024, and we have also got this update on the Galaxy Watch 8 series. This is the Galaxy Watch 8 regular, and this is the LTE variant. So let's go to the settings here. Again, scroll all the way down, tap on software update, and here we go. It shows the orange dot. Tap on download and install. We have got the update for this watch as well. So this time we have got the update for the Bluetooth as well as LTE variant at the same time, which is pretty good to see. Usually we don't get this. Usually the Bluetooth variants get the update first and then comes the LTE variants. This time we have got the update for both the variants here. As you can see here also, the size is 163.99 MB, and the August security patch level we have got with this all new update. Now once this is downloaded, all you need to do is just tap on install now. Let's install this on the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and let me also install this on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's go back to the settings. I'll just tap on install here. I'll come back to you guys once this is installed, and meanwhile we will check the update on the other devices as well. Let me tap on install. Now let's check this update on the Bluetooth variant Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Let's go to the settings, software update, and we have got the update for this as well. And as you can see, the size is again the same here, 163.84 MB. Now let me hit install on this watch as well. Now what we'll do is we will check out the older Galaxy watches. We've got the Galaxy Watch 7 over here. This is the 7 regular. This is the Bluetooth variant, 44 mm. Let's go to settings. This is not connected to the phone, and we'll still be able to check the update details here as long as it is connected to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, under settings, on software update, we've got the orange dot. Let me tap on download and install, and let's see the size over here. It's downloading now. Let me just scroll down here, and here the update size is slightly bigger. As you can see, it's 261.35 MB. The security patch level 1st August 2025. So the size of the update is different for these models. For the latest Galaxy Watch 8 series, we have got around 160 MB update, whereas for the Galaxy Watch 7 regular, we've got 261.35 MB update. That is something to note here. Now let me just go back here. Okay, let this get downloaded and we will install it later. And we'll check the last watch here. We've got the Galaxy Watch 6 series, which is almost a 2 generation old. So let's see if we've got the update on this watch or not. Let's scroll down, software update. Let me tap on download and install. Yep, we do have the update for the Galaxy Watch 6 series as well. Kudos to Samsung for releasing the update in the same month for all these models. 2-gen old model, the last year's model, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series. All of them have got the August security patch. As you can see, under what's new section, it's security, and changes may vary, etc., etc. as mentioned. And as you can see here, for this watch, the size is 164.96 MB. And the version number ends with BYH1, and this is also the security patch for August 2025. Now, I feel that even the Galaxy Watch 5 series have got the update. I don't have the 5 series or 4 series watches here, but I think you would have got the update on your older Galaxy watches as well. Do go ahead and check it out. Now we will go ahead and download this as well and install it. All these watches are getting the installation done here, as you can see. Now I'm pretty sure this is going to fix all those issues that you guys are facing. It may be battery performance issues. It could be some issues with the lags and stutter on the UI. All these issues usually gets fixed with this update. Now let this get updated and I will probably test the watch. Let's see how the watch is performing. How is the responsiveness? Let's quickly see that and then we will end this video. Alright, now all the watches have been updated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check how responsive the watch is. Let's open the quick panel. No issues. Now let's open the app tray and let's open a few applications as well. Let's make sure all the applications are closed here. Now let's start with Samsung Health. It's responding pretty well. Reminders, messages, weather, calendar, clock. So it's quite responsive. This is the latest chipset that we have, which is W1000, which is the same chipset for all these Galaxy watches, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Watch 7. It is W1000 chipset, so it should perform in the same way. So let's also try this with the Galaxy Watch 7. This is also the last year's model. Let's make sure all the applications are closed. Now let's start with some apps here. Let's go with Health application, messages, settings, calendar. So it seems to be pretty responsive. I don't see any lags here or any issues. Let me open the quick panel here. You see it's responding pretty well. Now let's see how does the 1-year-old watch respond now. Let's compare this with the newer watches. Now I have given enough time for the watch here. Okay, let me tap on OK. Now let's give it a few seconds for the watch to settle down and then we'll start with the test. We will compare it with one of the watches here, maybe Galaxy Watch 8 here. Now let's start with the Health application. Almost the same time it opened. Now let's go with messages. It did not respond here on this watch. Second time it did respond. Now let's go back. Let's open Play Store. Slightly slower on this older watch here, as you can see. It is still struggling. It's still trying to connect to the internet. The internet is already connected. Yeah, the Wi-Fi is already connected. It is definitely struggling here. Let me just go back. Let's open some other applications here. Let's try with weather. Again, this watch did not respond. Now let's open calendar. It was same. Let's go with maybe gallery. Again, there is a slight lag here on the Galaxy Watch 8. Sorry, the Galaxy Watch 6. Let's try voice recorder. Definitely it is slow here on the older watch, and this was the issue which I was pointing out in one of my previous videos, where the Galaxy phones will start lagging a bit after a couple of years. So the older watches does struggle in responding to the touches. Sometimes it is very slow to respond, sometimes it works fine. But after this update, looks like the latest watches are doing perfectly okay, but the older watches, I still see that lag there. Anyways, this is something which I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Have you got the update or not? Drop a comment and share your thoughts in the comment section. While you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.